Okay, come here. Let me put you on a little secret. Okay. Most creators do not get denied from the Amazon influencer program because their content sucks. That's not what it is. Most creators get denied because of one mistake that they made, not knowing that they actually made it. So by the end of this video, you guys will know not one, not two, not three, but four things that will instantly disqualify your Amazon influencer application from the jump. No questions asked. So let's jump right into it. My name is Monique D, and I am a serial entrepreneur, content creator, all the things. I spent years in radio and television, and now I am just trying to give out the information that I know, whatever it is, whatever it is. And for this video in particular, I will be talking about the Amazon Influencer Program because I did get accepted into the Amazon Influencer Program the first time. Okay. It took me a while to apply because I was nervous and I felt like, I don't know, you just overthink it because if you know, there are two different programs that Amazon offers. So they have the Amazon Influencer Program and the Amazon Affiliate Program. The affiliate program is way easier to get into if you guys do not know. If you guys need a breakdown on that, let me know. Not doing that in this video, but comment down below if you want a breakdown of the differences between the two programs. For this video specifically, I'm going to talk about the Amazon Influencer Program because that is where you get the most reward, I feel like. There's so many different perks to the Amazon Influencer Program. So one of my goals for 2025 was to be in that program. And baby, I got in the first time. So I'm going to give you guys some tips on different things that you should look out for when it comes to creating your content and putting things out there for approval. Because if you do not know, in order to be accepted into the Amazon Influencer Program, you have to submit videos for this portion of it. And this is kind of what sets it apart from the affiliate program versus the influencer program. But pretty much that is the part where a lot of people get stuck at. And if you don't know, if you don't get it right the first time, you have to reapply and start all the way back over from zero. And nobody wants to do that, right? And that's what kind of deterred me from applying in the first place because I was nervous. But with that being said, I'm going to give you guys four things that you should look out for when it comes to creating the content in order to get accepted into the Amazon Influencer Program so that you can get accepted the first time too. Okay. So in order to get accepted into the Amazon Influencer Program, you have to submit videos. That is a part of the application process. And this is where a lot of people mess up at. They start to overdo it, overthink it, and they're just trying to cram every creative idea into their content, not knowing that these ideas are going to mess them up. So like I said, I got accepted into the Amazon Influencer Program the first time, and I've also helped countless creators kind of tweak the things that they did in their previous content that made them not get accepted and have to reapply. And it's helped them tremendously. So if you're looking to apply or reapply, make sure you're listening closely because a lot of these things are simple mistakes that you can make that will change the entire process for you, and you don't want that. So listen up. Okay, number one, prices and promotions. That's one of the biggest things because Amazon loves, you guys, evergreen content. They don't want something that's very time specific or anything that's like, oh, this is a water bottle. It's on sale for $5.99 right now. Go get it. Like, they don't want you to sell. They want it to be an organic feel of where you're really genuinely giving a review of what you feel about the product. It's nothing that should be time sensitive or very salesy, like very forceful. Just make it natural, organic, and very simple. Keep it simple. No mentioning limited time offers, deals, discounts, none of that. Keep that out of your initial videos. Number two, medical advice. Please do not get on Amazon, y'all, acting like Dr. Sabi. Like, don't do it. Please, that is not what we are here for. While I understand you may have tried something that cured something or helped something or advanced your life in some type of way medically, do not get on your review talking about this healed my soul and you need to get this today because it'll heal yours too. Like, don't do that. Really, honestly, just stay away from, I highly recommend just staying away from any type of review that'll lead you to accidentally saying, please get this because this fixed this. Like, you don't want to like give any claims. You want to keep it very simple. I don't want to say generic because you want it to be organic, but don't do too much, y'all. Like, we're not trying to heal the world. We're trying to get approved into the Amazon Influencer Program. You can heal the world later, but right now, just you want to get approved, okay? So keep all the medical advice, all the things that you feel like, oh, this could replace, you don't have to go to the doctor for this. Just get this off Amazon and this will fix it. Like, don't do that. Like, really just stay away from those type of items, actually, and then choose something that's very simple. I can really show you guys the items that I used during my process. They were so simple, you guys, and it's better to keep it that way because then you're not going to overthink, overtalk. You'll keep it simple and get straight to the point, okay? Okay, now this one catches creators off guard, but alcohol and restricted categories. I feel like this is common sense, but you know, maybe it's not sometimes. But I would honestly, you guys, stay away from anything you feel like Amazon would question. If you're questioning it, if you're like, should I post this mocktail review? Like, I would probably save that maybe for another time and day. I wouldn't do it. I would not recommend. It's highly prohibited to post things that involve alcohol or anything like that. Like, just stay away from it, you guys. Like, don't chance it. You know what I mean? You get one shot to get it right, and then you got to start over and go through a whole nother process. You don't want to risk that over a mocktail review. Okay? Save that for something else. I don't know. But even with children's products, you guys, I highly recommend you second guess those, at least for the initial interview process to submit. You have to submit the 3 videos. For your first 3 videos to get accepted into the Amazon Influencer Program, I would kind of wait until you get further along in your influencer career. Then start implementing that. I think putting the children on camera right now is not really what Amazon's looking for. But you do what you want to do. I'm just saying, I've seen people get denied for just the simplest mistakes, and some of the ones that I just mentioned are one of them. Okay, so let's jump into number 4. Okay, last but not least, number 4, and there are more. There are definitely more, but these are the ones I'm going to do for this video. But number 4, unsupported viewer actions. This is a huge one because I've seen people submit videos. They'll submit videos, get denied, and they'll be, okay, well, let me see your videos. What did you post? And they'll send me the video, and it's them like, hey guys, so this is the water bottle from Kirkland. I just love it. It's just so like easy to use. It's very like durable and all the things. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Don't do that, you guys. This is not TikTok. This is not YouTube. This is YouTube. But your videos are for Amazon. You want to keep it geared towards a shopper, not so much a follower or a subscriber or what, you know what I mean? Like, you're treating it like social media at this point. Keep it simple. Just tell people what the product is, the name, and what you like about it, and just keep it simple, you guys. I think a lot of people try to go above and beyond in their videos, not knowing that the above and beyond is messing them up. One of my mentors told me best, I'm gonna mess it up, but she says simple skills, fancy fails. So with that being said, you want to make sure that you are keeping it simple in this process. The ones that are doing the most are the ones that are not getting approved. So keep it simple. And honestly, if your content avoids all these 4 mistakes, then you're ahead of most creators right now. So go ahead and shoot your shot, whether you're applying for the first time or the second, third, fourth, fifth, however many times. I hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe and comment down below. Are you on your journey right now to get approved into the Amazon Influencer Program? Do you not even know what I'm talking about? Like, where are you at? Okay, I need to know so I can hold you accountable. If you are interested in more of this content, please comment down below. I feel like it wasn't a lot out there that was being transparent about the process, and I don't know, it's kind of like it was a mystery for a while, looking up, information on how to get approved and all the things. So if you are interested, I will be your resource. I will give you all the information. Just let me know, comment down below, and yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Wait, I take that hand back. If you want to see the examples that I made, then also comment that down below, and yeah, I'll let y'all know. We can go live and I'll show you guys, or however you want to do it. We can do it. But I want you guys to really understand that the process is very specific, but it's not hard. Just got to work smarter, not harder. Okay, kids? I will see y'all in the next video. Okay, bye. For real this time.